Cheating is one of the most devastating betrayals in a relationship. It shatters trust, causes emotional turmoil, and can leave lasting scars on both partners involved. If you've been unfaithful to your partner, you understand the pain and guilt that comes with it. But is it possible to rebuild a relationship after infidelity? Can trust be restored? In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the steps you can take to rebuild trust, mend your relationship, and move forward after cheating. Method 1. Admitting your mistake. The first step towards rebuilding a relationship after cheating is admitting your mistake. This requires honesty, humility, and courage. Here's how you can approach this crucial step. Step 1. Cut off all contact with the person you cheated with. Continuing any form of communication with the person you cheated with only prolongs the pain and prevents healing. Make it clear to them that you are ending all contact and remove their presence from your life completely. Step 2. Involve your partner in the process. Transparency is key to rebuilding trust. If possible, involve your partner in cutting off contact with the other person. This not only demonstrates your commitment to the relationship, but also allows your partner to witness your sincerity firsthand. Step 3. Admit your mistake openly and honestly. When you confess to your partner, be truthful about what happened. Avoid sugarcoating or minimizing the extent of your actions. Take responsibility for your choices and their consequences. Step 4. Be prepared for their reaction. Your partner may experience a range of emotions upon learning about your infidelity, including anger, sadness, and betrayal. Give them space to process their feelings and don't expect forgiveness right away. Step 5. Apologize sincerely. A genuine apology can go a long way in repairing the damage caused by cheating. Express your remorse without making excuses or shifting blame. Let your partner know that you understand the pain you've caused and that you're committed to making amends. Method 2. Working past infidelity. Once you've admitted your mistake and apologized to your partner, the next step is to work through the aftermath of infidelity. This involves open communication, couples counseling, and a willingness to address underlying issues. Here's how you can navigate this challenging process.
Number 1. Seek couples counseling. Professional therapy can provide a supportive environment for both partners to explore their feelings, address trust issues, and rebuild their relationship. Look for a therapist who specializes in infidelity and has experience working with couples. Number 2. Communicate openly and honestly. Effective communication is essential for rebuilding trust. Be willing to share your thoughts, feelings, and concerns with your partner and encourage them to do the same. Listen actively and empathetically to each other's perspectives. Number 3. Practice fair conflict resolution. Disagreements are inevitable in any relationship, especially after infidelity. Instead of resorting to blame or defensiveness, approach conflicts with empathy and understanding. Focus on finding solutions rather than winning arguments. Number 4. Be patient and persistent. Rebuilding trust takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself and your partner as you navigate this process together. Stay committed to your relationship goals and be willing to put in the work required to heal and grow. Method 3. Regaining your partner's trust. Regaining your partner's trust after cheating is a gradual and ongoing process. It requires consistency, transparency, and a willingness to demonstrate change. Here are some steps you can take to rebuild trust over time. Step 1. Be accountable for your actions. Take responsibility for rebuilding trust by following through on your commitments and being accountable for your behavior. Avoid making excuses or rationalizing your past actions. Step 2. Be transparent. Transparency is crucial for rebuilding trust. Be open and honest with your partner about your whereabouts, activities, and interactions. Offer reassurance and reassurances whenever necessary to alleviate their concerns. Step 3. Respect your partner's boundaries. Your partner may need time and space to heal from the betrayal. Respect their boundaries and avoid pressuring them to move past the infidelity before they're ready. Be patient and supportive as they navigate their emotions. Step 4. Show consistent effort. Rebuilding trust is a gradual process that requires consistent effort over time. Demonstrate your commitment to change by actively participating in your relationship, supporting your partner's needs, and prioritizing their well-being. Conclusion. Rebuilding trust after cheating is not easy, but it is possible with patience, effort, and commitment from both partners. By admitting your mistake, working through the aftermath of infidelity, and regaining your partner's trust, you can rebuild your relationship stronger than before. Remember that healing takes time, and forgiveness may not come quickly. Be patient, stay focused on your relationship goals, and never underestimate the power of love and redemption.